This is WorkPilot, an AI chatbot for the Indian tech job market. Instead of scrolling through job boards like LinkedIn, you just ask it a question in plain English and it gives you a direct answer pulled from real, freshly scraped listings. So let's try it. I'll ask it some questions and let's see how it performs. Now, behind the scene, it's running a hybrid search, which comprises of a fine-tuned BM25 keyword search and a semantic search. Then we are using a cross-encoder re-ranking before generating the final answer. If you check out these cards, they contain every information available on the job listing itself on the LinkedIn platform. For example, the company's name, the job role, the location, the apply link, and the skills required, and when it was posted. Let's check out the link itself. As you can see, it's a working link. Let's move forward. Now, this was a retrieval task. Now, let's ask it some analytical questions like comparing two job roles or asking for specific skill sets required for a specific job role. And let's see how it performs in such cases. So let us understand what is happening behind the scene. The agent first recognizes the needs that this is an analytical question. It needs broader context. So it switches to a different path internally, aggregating across listings instead of just retrieving them and gives a proper comparative answer. If you check out this section here, it says cached, which means that this question has been asked before and it is saved in the cache memory. And by asking the similar question again, it gives us the answer from the cache memory and save us time and computation. If we look here, this is what the most generic output looks like. When we use a keyword, detailed keyword, it gives us a more comprehensive answer, a more detailed answer. Now let us talk about our guardrailing and what level of security does our project have. Let's check it out. Now let us talk about the tech stack. Under the hood, it's a LangGraph agent, query analysis, routing, retrieval, and generation as separate nodes with a guardrail that blocks off-topic questions before they even reach the LLM itself. Job data comes from a Playwright scraper running daily on a GitHub Actions and storing the data into Supabase, then gets embedded into Chroma vector database using a blue-green swap. So reindexing never causes downtime. Ladies and gents, that's WorkPilot. Thanks for watching.